Hi guys, welcome back to Bright Path Learning, where knowledge lights the way. Today I'm going to talk about two major things. The first one, why I decided to change the name from the Maggie's family to Bright Path Learning. And second, I'm going to talk about 11 common mistakes that young YouTubers like me make and how to avoid them. My good people, I am excited to share a fresh new chapter with you. Maggie's Family TV is now Bright Path Learning. This change reflects my mission even more early to bring you informative, educational, and inspiring content that lights the way on your journey. Whether it's tips, learning videos, or helpful guidelines for everyday growth. Don't worry, I am still here with the same heart, the same content, the same voice, and even better content for you and your loved ones. Thanks for being part of this journey. Let's keep walking bright path together. Hey, guys, you'll have fear with me. Where I'm filming right now, my neighbor I think has a lot of coughing problem. So you just have to
My lord,
bear with me.
I
I
wonder.
just shoot this video and then we learn. Don't concentrate on who is coughing around us. There's a problem. Okay. Common mistakes YouTubers make. As we know, starting YouTube channel is exciting, but it's easy to stumble into common mistakes new YouTubers make. Number one, eh, inconsistent posting. Eh? Randomly posting videos without schedule. Randomly posting videos without schedule. I'm going to show you how you're going to fix it. Number two, not focusing on one niche. Like what I told you, the reason why I decided to change the name to this YouTube is one of it. I don't want to mix the niche. I have opened another channel that I'm doing fresh flow juices. So I decided to change this name so that I can have two channels. I don't confuse my niche. Another one is weekly thumbnails and titles. This one I'm going to explain how you can fix it. These are the mistakes. And then another one is ignoring the audience. Yeah, that one I'm going to explain to you also. Poor video audio quality. That one I'm going also to explain. Not adding call to action. Yeah. And then another one is trying to be perfect. And then another one is not learning from analytics. Yeah. Those are the 8 mistakes that we normally make. Being me, I being part of it. Part of you guys, yeah? Because we are still growing. Yeah, I am also still growing, but I have learned through the hard way, and that's why I come here to come and share with you. We see how we can change each other, because I've practiced these things that I'm telling you and they have really worked for me. So how to fix these problems? Let us fix inconsistent posting. Yeah, let me say you just fix it by pick a realistic posting schedule. Like you can say you will be uploading videos once a week, and then be consistent, builds audience trust. If you are consistent, you build some. Hey, something is biting me here, guys, but I need to here. There's a good lighting and I feel I'm comfortable here, and then there's also good fresh air. I don't want to film this video from inside, but I feel that the environment is not all that good, but for me, the lighting is very important for me right now here. And let's continue with how to fix the mistakes that we normally make that I've just mentioned. I'm talking about inconsistent posting, uploading videos randomly without schedule. How to fix it? Uh, Pick a realistic posting schedule, age once a week, and stick to it. Consistent builds audience trust. And then number 2, not focusing on niches, making random videos and related topics. How to fix it? Focus your content around theme, age, learning, wellness, motivation, so your audience knows what to expect. Yeah, I've just explained. And then number 3, weak thumbnails and titles. They're using low quality of confusing thumbnails and boring titles. Yeah, and then how to fix it? Make clear, colorful thumbnails with bold text. Use titles that are specific and engaging, e.g., simple tips for daily motivation. Yeah, guys, are we in the same page? And then number 4, ignoring your audience. This is another mistake. If your people are commenting on your channel, please engage with your audience so that they know that you are together with them. And also YouTube loves when you engage with your audience so that they can be able to push your videos to another level or to more audience. You see, you how to do it? You comment or asking viewers to engage. And when you upload a video, you must comment on it so that you can engage with your audience. And YouTube loves this kind of a thing. When you engage with your audience, YouTube pushes your video to another level. Okay, guys? Are we in the same page? Yeah? Something is interrupting me here, but I will continue. Okay. Another one, poor video audio quality. This one is posting videos with unclear visuals or background noise. Use good lighting. Natural lighting works. Like I've told you, I am outside here because I want good lighting from the sun. Sorry. I've said I want good lighting from the sun because it is beautiful and clear, and that's why I am outside here. Yeah. And then when you must be audio. You must, when you're talking, be very clear. Don't swallow your words so that your audience may understand what you are talking about. Yeah. Okay, use good lighting. Natural light works. You see, I've said natural light works because I am outside here, and this video, when you're going to watch it, you will see me very clear and nice. And that's why I say use natural light if possible. Yeah. And then another one, a clear phone lens and record where it's quiet. Don't record your videos where there's a lot of noise. Like for instance, where I am, my neighbor was coughing, and I excused myself because I couldn't do this video when he's really coughing and making a lot of noise. It will interrupt my viewers and my audience, which is not good. Anyway, let's continue. Another point is not adding a call to action. This, I mean, forgetting to ask viewers to like, comment, or subscribe. How to fix it? Include a short call to action in your intro or outro. For example, if you enjoy this, give it a thumbs up and subscribe or for more. That is a call of action. And then number 7, trying to be perfect. You are trying to be perfect. Over editing, delaying uploads, or being afraid to post. Yeah? You're trying to be very good. You're trying to be perfect. The perfect. So this makes you over edit, you delay to upload your videos. Yeah, you fear that when you post this video, it's not going to be good. How to fix? Start being real. Progress. Beat perfection. Just be yourself. Don't dress so much beautiful. You go somewhere that is so exotic so that you can impress people. No, be yourself. As long as you're giving the right thing, the right content, the right message to your audience, that video will shoot. Not learning from analytics, ignoring YouTube studio metrics. Yeah, that is what I mean. How to fix it? Check what videos are performing well and why. Use this to improve your future videos. Yeah, what video are doing good on your channel. You can also repeat if you did a certain niche, or no, sorry, if you did a certain topic and you find that topic did very well, if you watch these grown content creators, watch their videos very well, whatever topic they did on their video, and that topic did very well, you can see them repeating it. Yeah, yeah. So watch on that. And then, guys, I love you so much, and I don't have much to tell you, but just to appreciate everyone who is coming back to watch my videos, and all my new subscribers. Thank you very much. You are my best. And I don't have much to add on this, but to say God bless you so much, and we meet on the next one. If video added any impact or you're happy about it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and like, comment, and subscribe. We meet on the next one.